Denton Independent School District has long prided itself on preparing its students for the future and an ever-changing world. That goal becomes more taxing to achieve each year through unprecedented growth. Yet, Denton ISD continues to rise to the challenge with the construction of new facilities and the integration of new technology in the classroom. Denton ISD has been among the fastest growing districts in Texas for some time now, growing by 45% over the past decade and by 20% the last 5 years. During that time, the district's student population has increased from just over 14,000 students in 2002 to today's current enrollment of more than 25,000. To meet the demands of this development, the district has built 8 new schools in the past 6 years and renovated 16 others. Denton ISD officials are currently overseeing the construction of the district's 7th middle school, its 3rd since 2007, which will open in time for the 2013-14 school year. The district has been able to provide these new and updated facilities for its residents despite raising its debt service tax just 4 cents during the past 5 years. But, like many of its students today, Denton ISD is still growing, and with that growth come new struggles. Current conservative projections have the district's enrollment rising by a 4% average over the next decade, with Denton ISD reaching almost 36,000 students by 2021. Construction is an integral part of this progression, yet other issues, like making sure students are transported to school safely and have the opportunity to eat nutritious meals once they are there, must be addressed in order for our students to continue to excel. Like an art student trying to complete his latest masterpiece, Denton ISD will need help confronting and clearing the hurdles that come with continued growth. The state cut $5.4 billion during the last legislative session, with many lawmakers seeing public education as an expense today rather than an investment for tomorrow. Teachers and administrators have been given additional responsibilities with larger class sizes, more students in our schools, and fewer educational resources. And Denton ISD is constrained by the 50-cent debt test, which limits the extent we, and every other district in the state, can handle this influx of new students year after year. This forces school districts to finance school construction over a longer period of time, costing local taxpayers tens of millions of dollars in interest alone. In the meantime, the district will continue planning ahead to make sure we have room for future students, and continue working with our current students to ensure they're prepared for the future. Yes, Denton ISD will continue to grow, but it will also continue to get better.